Good day, Goose. Welcome to AutoPeak's video. Today, we are gonna try a product from online shopping. I just bought a car jump starter from them. We are gonna unbox it right now and check if it's working or not. The package includes a carrying case with the product inside. First is the jump starter itself, next is the portable air compressor powered by the jump starter, and the jump starter kit, the cable with clank, the charger and accessories for inflation of ball and balloon. The jump starter features are emergency LED flashlight, 4 charging sockets for phones and some gadgets. The output voltage for jump starting is 15 volts and start current rating of 300 amps. US output is 5 volts 2 amps. And now we will check the socket for the clamp assembly. Also function test the portable air compressor. Oops, the switch was on, didn't expect that. Let's try it again. Seems like it's producing air pressure. Before we test the jump starter, let's charge it first to make it full of juice. Here we go. I will test my car battery if it's in good condition. As you can see, the reading of my tester is below 12 volts and it will no longer crank my car.
8 volts.
I used a broken battery from my yard, stuck for years already. Let's connect the jump starter to the battery terminal. Just match the color of the clamp. Red is for positive side, black for negative or brown side, and then switch on the power of jump starter. Turn on your car ignition key accordingly.
Uy.
Voltmeter reading is 14.8 volts.
Start.
And it's a success. The car starts immediately. No wonder the product works as stated by the seller. Now disconnect the jump starter after the car started. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Support Red Jazz Autopeaks and please hit subscribe for more videos.